Hi people, today I wanted to show you how to activate Intel Open Image Denoise in 3ds Max in Arnold Renderer because I checked the documentation. It is a significant upgrade in Arnold Renderer in 3ds Max 2025. Today I wanted to show you how to turn Open Image Denoiser, updating the Open Image Denoise to version 2.2.2. Better performance, and I noticed that people renderer it seems to be quicker. When you go to Arnold renderer, you have to scroll down to images, and you have to add denoiser open Intel Open Image Denoise. This is shortcut, but this is Intel Open Image Denoise. We also have some additional settings, but I will not be talking about some other settings. And I have my render. I didn't use a full resolution. Now I will, but you have to check a graphics card. Now I can show to you what render looks at the moment. This is without Intel Open Image Denoiser. But make sure you have good graphics card. Mine isn't really that bad, but I want to upgrade to RTX 3080 in the near future. At the moment, graphics cards are still expensive. I bought mine for £250. But this computer works well with with Arnold. Arnold works fast enough. Another thing is sampling and array depth. Camera AA sample. This is important factor as well because this will remove noise and adaptive sampling. Pay attention on this. I turned this on. System device graphics card fallback. I have chosen error, but in diagnostic area you can deselect this. I didn't have any errors, but I will deselect this because sometimes it's not necessary. They fixed many of the errors in this renderer and it's much better than what it used to be. But you can still keep it, but I will deselect this. Minimum memory. Maybe I will choose little bit higher, like that. I don't know if I should change this or not. I will leave as it is. Okay, I will render now. Oh, but my usage of the VRAM is quite high. It is still okay, but I should upgrade for to better graphics card. And now I finished my rendering. You can see high. You can see the difference. You can see noise because we use the Intel Open Image Denoise inside the Arnold renderer. Okay, what else I can tell you? Check some settings here. You can also play around with some settings here. I think transmission is to do with transparency, I believe. Okay. Filtering. Oh, we have Firefly filtering, but I won't be talking about that because we don't use any metals or glass in the background, so you don't have to turn this on if you render character. But this topic was how to use Intel Open Image inside Arnold renderer. So you can completely get rid of noise, but make sure you go to last section when you scroll by mouse button. When you scroll down by mouse button, first section is this. This is the last section, images. Then you add denoiser optics, denoiser noise, but that one is the best because your render will look much cleaner. Oh, okay, what we got here? I would like to check something, people, because you can still grab my left mouse button. Instance, what we got here? GPU. Oh, I have graphics card. Oh, actually, I didn't set it to graphics card. This, you can still add this by left mouse button, but make sure you will use option instance because it will update at the same time in this window, in both windows. So you don't have to grab once again if you apply some changes. Only your graphics card will be used because a newer version of Intel Open Image denoise is using graphics card like in Blender.